Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I do apologize this video is rather short, but I wanted to show you guys how I built this little doll organizer. I started with a full sheet of foam board and I knew I wanted it to be about 13 inches tall, so I measured the whole width of the board and cut off the top. So this does measure 30 inches wide by 13 inches tall. I then cut out some 3-inch pieces of foam board for the top and then the dividers. I glued on the top and the bottom. The dividers in the end pieces that I measured 13 inches tall had to be cut down a little bit because I glued the top and the bottom right onto the board. Once I had the outside all glued on, I used a doll and kind of measured out how wide I wanted each divider to be. Originally I was going to go with 4 inches, but it didn't come out evenly and math isn't my strong suit. I just put the dividers up and kind of measured them until I had them how I wanted them to be. Here they are glued on. I think it would be cute hung on the wall, but I think you could also lay these like on the ground or on a table. You could have several and stack them. I was going to use scrapbook paper and cover the back, but I kind of like them plain. I also think it would be a cute idea to use these for clothes and shoe storage for the dolls, and you could stack them on top of each other as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.